Alright, so Unknown T just dropped his new EP Before the Smoke, and I've always been a fan of his work, so of course I had to do a video on it. And even though it's only 4 tracks, the project's actually pretty versatile. It's not all about drill, but I feel like it's what he's known best for, and the drill beats he usually chooses are quite unique and vibey. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make them from scratch. And yo, I have got a special announcement. So as a huge thank you for getting me to 200,000 subscribers, I've teamed up with Adam Audio and Novation to bring you a huge beat battle. So the rules are, you have to use one of the melodic loops in the free care package I dropped recently. You can flip it any way you like, and you can even use sounds from other sources as long as you don't violate any copyrights. The type of beat can be any genre, but it is going to be a beat battle beat, so think about unique flips, hard hitting drums, and just keeping it interesting. I'll personally be going through all of the beats. I'll be choosing my top 10, and then on the 10th of September I'll be going live on YouTube so that the community can vote for the favorite one. The winner of the vote will receive a pair of Adam Audio T8V monitors, the exact same ones I've been using. They'll also get 1 full year of the Cactus Creators Club membership, and you'll also get my huge Divine bundle. The runner-up will receive a pair of Adam Audio SP5 headphones and also my Divine bundle. Then the third place winner will receive the brand new Novation FL Keys 49 along with my Divine bundle. So to enter, all you need to do is download the free Cactus Care package using the link in the description, fill out the form, and then upload your beat by the 7th of September. Just make sure you read the form properly so you know exactly where to upload the file. And I'll also be updating everyone by email, so just make sure you tick the marketing boxes so that you can actually receive them. So a huge shout out to Adam Audio and Novation for getting involved. Good luck with the battle, and let's get straight into the video. Alright, so I've got FL Studio open, I've got the BPM set to 145, and I want to start with a pad. In a lot of Unknown T beats I hear pads, pianos, vocals, flutes, so quite dark sounds, but there's always a good atmosphere. So let's see what we can make. For the pads, let's go with Analog Lab. We'll go to my Aurora UK drill bank. This is in the Divine bundle. There's some sounds perfect for Unknown T stuff in here, so I'm thinking we could use something like this, or some strings like this. So yeah, we'll use the string support preset for now, and we'll just build out some chords. Like that. Try to go up to this. So yeah, this progression could work. Even just those two. Let's add some bass notes as well. So yeah, I actually really like the sound of these 2 chords together, so I'm going to keep them the way they are. I'll just copy it and then just switch something up at the end. Maybe just come back down. Like that, you know, that could work. So yeah, we'll send that to insert, and then I'm going to clone that, and then we'll find something to layer it with. The idea in my head for this is to just keep simple chords, just layer them with the right things, and then have a simple counter melody as well. So I'm going to take that MIDI, copy it into this. We'll go back to my drill bank. We'll just see what it sounds good with. I like that one. This one as well. This adds a nice bit of high end. We'll copy it again. In this bank, we'll grab a sub bass. Just a gritty sub bass, one of my favorite ones. Yeah, I think like this. Then we could add a few filler notes, kind of like slides. Then we'll try this last thing too. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Okay, we're going to go back to the same bank, and we're going to grab a flute. There's a real nice flute in this bank, and it's just the Flute Symphony. But I'm just struggling to hear the flute. So when I'm struggling to hear something, I like to see where it's hitting. So everywhere between like 5 and 2K. I'll duck that from the pad. Maybe same with this one. Then I'm also going to add some reverb to that flute. Turn it up. Alright, now we can make the melody. just randomize that, make it a bit more natural. We'll just copy that over with Control and B. Yeah, let's just pitch these up. Yeah, maybe we could do that actually, just pitching the whole thing up. And then also just to separate those pads a little bit more, I'm going to take the higher pitched one. We're going to use Pancake, we'll just set it to 1 bar and then bring down the mix. If you're listening with headphones or the T8V monitors, you're going to hear the difference it makes. I'm also going to add more reverb to that flute. Just want it real vibey. Main thing I'm trying to do is just create some atmosphere, so let's get some delay on that as well. Alright, one more thing I want is just some vocals for some accents. Yeah, something like this. And then repeat that. Yeah, just simple. Of course, it's going to need some processing though. So I'm going to render it out first just because sometimes it goes a little bit out of time. So I'm going to stretch it and then just reset the pitch with Alt and left click. That's better. And then for the vocals, I'm just going to use my melodic vocal preset. This is going to be in my next kit, by the way, which I'll announce more details on soon. But essentially, it's just little alter boy, EQ, pancake, delay, and reverb. I've been trying to save my presets recently because I end up using a lot of similar mixing chains. So if you save your presets, you're just going to save yourself some more time the next time you cook up. Alright, now I just want to add one more layer. This is just going to be a piano, but it's only going to play in a few sections. So I already know in the arrangement, at some point I want that flute to come out and this piano to come in. I'm going to go to my Japanese drill preset, but I want a lot of reverb and delay. And then before all of that, I'm going to add halftime. Then I'm also going to cut out the lows. This isn't going to be full chords or anything, just more accent notes. So yeah, even something like that. So yeah, that simple pattern's just for a bit of variation later on. But what I'm going to do right now is render everything and then just pitch it up 1 or 2. So to do that, we can just disk recording for each one. Press Alt and R. And then we'll render the song because I've got that pattern in the playlist. So yeah, now you can see we've got everything here. So I'm going to have to set everything to stretch. And let's just pitch it up 1. I want the bass notes to be kind of low. First one will be hitting on A sharp right now, which could sound sick. And then if I pitch it up 1, it'll hit on B. So I'm feeling that. But when you cut them, just make sure everything's set to generic bleeding, otherwise you get those clicks. So yeah, I'm happy with that melody, nice and simple. Sounds like an Unknown T type melody, so I'm gonna get the drums in. And we might as well use the care package. There's some sick sounds in here. See which one works. I like that one. This chopper one sounds sick too. Just wanna keep a consistent bounce. Copy this, and then we're going to layer that with this slim one. And then on that second one, I'm just adding a bit of delay. This is just going to add more bounce. Got the time set to 2, feedback here, the input down. See what this sounds like. Yeah, I'm feeling that. We'll grab a snare as well. I like the cret one and the lays one. I might layer that with this actually. Okay, I've just actually replaced that first snare with this strange one. I actually pitched the main counter snare up as well. And then I think for this one, the rider 808 is going to sound sick. Always for these dark UK drill ones, I use this 808. So yeah, just copy that over. And then with these two, we're also going to pan them. And then yeah, just a couple more slides here. Okay, I want to carry that pattern on and make a few changes, so I'm just going to copy everything over. I'm going to cut this one quite a bit and then just have it basically slide down an octave. Just realized some of these notes are still panned as well. I need to fix that. Yeah, there we go. These need to come down as well. Alright, next up I'm going to add the classic drill gunshot, but I just want some delay on that. So yeah, just have that on the one, and then these here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go to my Love and War kit, add a fast riser, just bring that back. I'm also working on loads of new drum fills as well for the next bundle. I really like the sound of this one. But maybe I'll have the riser there and then a drum fill just after every 16 bar. There we go. Alright, to be honest, I think any more than that is going to be overdoing it. With this beat, I'm really just thinking about placement type beats, just getting vocals on there. So that's way more than enough. So I'm going to bring the drums out and then we'll copy that out a few times. And all my arrangements are pretty similar, as you've probably seen a few times. But yeah, let's just start with the low pad. Vocals as well, that sounds sick. And actually what I want to do is save the keys. We'll bring the vocals in there, repeat the flute. So this whole section could be the hook. Add the signature sound. It's like a second tag in my beat at this point. So yeah, I've just taken out that fast riser, added it here instead. And brought the vocals in. And then I think at the end, I could probably just cut everything. And then in this section, we're coming into the verse. So let's take the high pad out. We'll take out some of the drums too. Alright, second thoughts. I might actually cut the vocals out there because it might be a bit too much on top of the flute. But then we could bring them back in here. We've got them down an octave there. And then we could bring them up an octave here. And then save the keys for this section, which is like a bridge. So we could bring this back. Bring the riser there as well. Yeah, now we've got a bridge, and then from here I can just copy it. But last thing, in that bridge section, I've just added a phaser and some reverb to the main counter snare, and then I'm just going to automate both of these. It's just like some ear candy if you got headphones on. Alright man, I think that's going to be it for the beat, so let's have a listen from the beginning. Let's play from halfway through this section.
Cactus.
Sounding crazy. Yeah, this one's sounding hard, man. I know I say that every time. So yeah, this whole section is the hook. And then coming into the verse. I think Unknown T would sound so sick on this. A really simple pad, but all the drums just make it sound crazy. And then just little things like pitching the vocals up and down. So yeah, make sure you don't forget to enter the beat battle. Just click the link in the description. And yeah, if you want to see more dark drill like this, click up here. Or to switch it up, click up here.